About a year ago, I was on TikTok and I came across this girl named Dahni. I started following her because I found her very inspiring, and then she started the Pink Tummy project and started doing challenges, so I had to sign up. Since February when I started, it has been an incredible journey. I'm down a pound size, my clothes are fitting looser, I have more energy. I'm really enjoying her workouts and meal plan. What I enjoy is that her meal plan, she makes it very easy to follow for someone that can't cook like me. And she also modifies the workout if you can't keep up, because I know that there's some stuff that I can't do and I do the modified version. If you're looking for a fun program and a coach that is there every step of the way, encourages you, motivates you, then I suggest you sign up with Dahni. I know I'm excited to continue my journey with her. Thank you, Dahni, for this amazing opportunity and for believing in me and supporting me in my weight loss journey.